we doing water play? Are you gonna go under? Oh, splash, splash, splash. Woo. No, it's not too hot. You're good. Come on. Where are you going? Who needs a beach when you can have a shower like this, huh? Yeah, there's the bathtub. Or Nana called it your playpen. Yeah. Are you all done? Are you cleaning? Or are you gonna get it wet?